It's Gianna at Convincing Crypto, where we keep you in the loop on all the latest trends and news on crypto and blockchain technology. Today, I have a real quick update for the Cardano community and really anybody interested in getting involved with DeFi, decentralized finance. Before we dive into the news though, I do need to warn everybody again about some crypto scams out there. This week is anticipated to be a huge week for crypto, especially with the Bitcoin ETF. But as we approach this bull run, more and more people will try to steal your crypto, and they might even try to scam the people who are new to crypto. So if you see anything in the comments with a WhatsApp, a phone number, or a Telegram, if you see anybody recommending a financial advisor, I'll never endorse those and they'll never be me. So if you can, keep everybody safe and report those scammers. The same goes for any deep fakes out there. I've been seeing a lot of crypto ads with fake airdrops, fake crypto giveaways, and people trying to steal the likeness of other people. Again, I'll never endorse those, so please report all the scammers. Alright, let's dive into the news today. Here's a tweet. Emmergo, the commercial arm of the Cardano blockchain, tweeted, "Decentralized finance, DeFi, has grown exponentially in the past few years, with its TVL, that's total value locked, reaching tens of billions of dollars. DeFi utilizes decentralized applications, dee-apps, that use decentralized blockchain-based smart contracts to validate business logic without intermediaries and use smart contracts to secure funds." We're gonna say dee-apps, it's gonna catch on. Dee-apps are decentralized applications. DeFi services use open source software protocols built on decentralized blockchains. This can pose financial risks when trading assets and security risks for those experimenting without enough knowledge about the technology. Today we will discuss some basic strategies regarding DeFi. So here's a rundown of how to get started with DeFi. Do your own research, DYOR, stake tokens, mint stablecoins, and provide liquidity. I always encourage everybody to do your own research before making any investments. So all my videos are not an endorsement of any product on Cardano in any way. I'm here to inform you of what's going on in the ecosystem. So it's ultimately up to you to do your own research and make decisions on your finances. Number 1, do your own research, DYOR. It's a basic strategy for getting started with DeFi. In this context, DYOR means checking the legitimacy of the dee-apps website and URL, security history, user base, TVL, and other comments made by its users in online communities and social media such as X before deciding to commit your fund to any DeFi app. Number 2, stake tokens. Staking tokens or crypto assets for potential yield is one of the most common strategies due to its straightforwardness and relative simplicity. Users must assume all risks of using a DeFi app. Number 3, mint stablecoins. Another common DeFi strategy is to mint stablecoins using an algorithm to create a peg with a currency. Stablecoins can be minted by anyone, and in most cases, it requires reserve requirements to be above the created amount of the stablecoin. Number 4, providing liquidity. Providing liquidity to a decentralized exchange, DEX pool, is a more advanced strategy. By locking a pair of tokens and adding a 50-50 supply of the pair to a chosen liquidity pool, the user gains a portion of the fees when people trade that specific pair of tokens. The challenge for the strategy is that the liquidity provider needs to factor in the fees as a source of profit and the risk of the assets falling in price, which may be very difficult to predict. So there you have it. Those are all the basic steps to get involved with DeFi. Emmergo also had another opportunity that they wanted to share with all of you. It's an in-person event in Singapore. They also announced Emmergo has joined forces with the Institute of Blockchain Singapore to host an exclusive 2-day workshop on DeFi for business and finance professionals in Singapore later this month. The workshop aims to provide a well-rounded understanding of both blockchain and DeFi, decentralized finance, enabling attendees to make informed decisions, participate in the DeFi ecosystem, and contribute to the growth of DeFi. Speakers include industry leaders from Emmergo, Emmergo Academy, Coinbase, Research Chronos, Merkle Science, and more. So I'll link all the info down below in the description if you want to learn more about DeFi and read more about it. If you want to attend in person and are in Singapore, I'll also link the info of that workshop. I hope this information was helpful for you. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Are you planning on getting involved with DeFi? And what projects are you excited about? Let me know what you think in the comments below. That's it for us today. Feel free to like, subscribe, and comment your thoughts. Feel free to share this with your friends if you enjoyed this content, and I'll see you next time, everyone. Bye!